Let's talk about how to use Skimmer's tag feature. To do that, you'll go to getskimmer.com and log in, then navigate to Settings, and finally General. There at the bottom of the screen, you'll find Customer Tags, and you'll find that these are a great way to organize your customer list. Note that you have an Add button and then Edit and Delete buttons next to each tag. Let's click the Edit button, and you'll see that we get a little pop-up screen that will allow us to change the name. All we have to do is type in the new name, click Save, and then the new name is there. Now what if we want to delete a customer tag? Well, it's as simple as clicking the Delete button and confirming on the pop-up. And we see it's now gone. Note that when you're editing a tag name, you can have spaces and you can have dashes, but no other special characters. So don't try something like a comma or a question mark or you'll get an error. Now let's add a tag. Click the Add button, and we get another pop-up where you can choose the name. Click Save, and now we have a new tag. So how do these tags actually apply to your customers? Well, let's find out. Let's go to the Customers tab. And the first thing you'll note is that the customers who have tags applied have a little icon next to their name that shows a little tag. And if we hover over that tag, you'll see the tags that are currently associated with that customer. To edit, let's click into a customer's profile. And now we'll click the Edit button next to their name. And at the bottom of the Edit screen, you'll see a Tags field. And you can choose as many as you want to apply to this customer. Now what if you're on this screen and you realize that you want a new tag that doesn't exist yet and you want to apply it to this customer? Well, it's as easy as typing it in. You can even type in something maybe that indicates something about their location. And when you have what you want, enter. And now not only is this a tag for this customer, but it's a new tag that's now available to be assigned to any other customer. Once you've chosen all the tags you want, click Save. Now check the customer's profile. You see tags here, and you see everything that we chose to associate with this customer. Now let's see how we can use these tags to filter our customer list. Back on the customers page, note that we have our regular search functions, but now we also have tags. So what if I want to find out how many Avengers are my customers? Well, I will choose that tag, and it will filter down to show me how many I'm servicing. Let's add something here. Now what if I want to see how many customers are Avengers and how many customers have salt pools? Well, I can go in and add salt as another tag that I want to filter on. And because I've chosen has any, now I'm seeing both lists. So anyone that has either the Avengers tag or the salt tag. What if I want to see any Avengers that also have a salt pool? Well, I go to my second filter list and I choose has all. So now I filter down to the one person that has both of these tags. Let's try something different now. What if I want to see all customers that are not Avengers? Well, the first thing I'll do is get rid of salt because that's not what I'm searching on. And now I've kept the Avengers tag and I'm going to choose has none. This will show me all my customers that do not have the Avengers tag associated with them. So it's another way that you can sort and filter your list. You can also assign tags to a customer as soon as you create them. Just click the Add Customer button, and note that on the screen where you're adding all the basic information for the customer, you also have a tags option. You can choose any of the tags that you currently have available. So that's a brief overview of how you can use tags to sort and organize your customer list.